A person stares at a short AI message, unsure what to ask it next. You open AI, type a few vague words, and get a useless answer. That moment is about one thing: the prompt. Once you understand it, AI starts making a lot more sense. You run into this anytime you ask AI to write an email, plan a trip, or help with dinner. If the answer feels off, the prompt is usually where to look first. A prompt is simply what you tell the AI to do. Think of it like asking a new assistant for help. If you say, "handle this," they have to guess. If you give the goal, context, and limits, they can help better. Bad answers do not always mean the AI is bad. Often it means your instructions were too thin. AI fills gaps when details are missing, so the result may sound polished but still miss what you meant. So the fix is not be technical, it is be clearer. Give enough direction that the AI can respond to your real task, not a guessed version of it. Use this simple habit. Start with the task. Write a polite follow-up email, then add context, who it is for and why. Add limits, length, tone, deadline, budget, whatever matters. If the first answer is off, do not start over blindly. Adjust the prompt by asking AI to make it shorter or use simpler words. Treat prompting like giving better instructions, not taking one shot. You still need to review the result. Make sure it matches your situation. Remove private or company-sensitive information and check facts before you send, share, or rely on it. The big idea is simple. AI answers the request it receives, not the one you meant in your head. Clear input gives you more useful output. Remember, a prompt is the instructions you give the AI. If the answer is weak, your prompt may be too vague. Start with the task, add context and limits, then review the result. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. One term made simple. What should we decode next?